your girl Keila C, and I'm back finally with another video. Today I'm just gonna teach you ways on how to do a quick look, my fave soft look. So right now I'm just gonna carve out my brows, sis, using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm gonna dab it out, blend it out, or whatever. Next, I'm gonna put on top a darker something closer to my complexion using the same LA Girl concealer, just in a different color. Then next, I'm going to blend that out, sis. Make sure the brows are good and carved out. Do you hear me? Ooh, I'm running out of breath. Okay, next, I'm going to carve out my brows. Just going to define them more, sis, using just a pencil that I had. Nothing too dark. Just want to keep this look soft, you know. And next, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm going to set my eyes, sis, before I start using my palette or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna pat that out, sis. But did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me though? Oh, okay. Next, I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place palette. Clearly, I use this a lot. I'm gonna take that brown and I'm gonna sweep back and forth, sis, until your wrist is hurting. Keep doing it, blend. I'm only using 2 colors for this look. You can simply see I'm using a brown and like something close to an off-white. Okay, both of them are done. Now, to have me a little singing session or whatever, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in that lighter color. And I'm going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm going to dab a little bit. Just dab. It does not have to be perfect. This is not a cut crease. You're just going to dab and just make kind of like a messy look. Now you're going to take that off-white color and you're going to dab again with another fluffy brush. Not the same one. Just dab. Make it kind of messy, but not too messy. You can still see the brown on the outside. And you're just going to dip. Oh, I'm a little turned. Okay. Next, going to go back with that brown color, that lighter brown, and you're going to wish it. With your wiper, sis. Keep doing it. Keep blending out and out. Going back and forth until that white kind of disappears. You're going to get that. Make sure you don't see that look. Now you're going to take that white again and dab one more time. And after that, go back with the brown again and wish it wiper. Now I'm going to take a gel liner and just line the top of my eyes. Whatever the thing called, whatever it is. Y'all get what I'm saying. Yeah. Now next, I'm going to put on a little mascara or whatever. And also, I'm going to blend out the edges using like a darker brown. And Pretty Blinks University, honey. On the lashes, baby. I'll leave her Insta below so you can go ahead and shop, sis. Gonna put on those lashes real cute, going from hobo to baddie, period. Now I'm gonna take my Fit Me concealer in the color, I don't even know, I'll put in the description box for real. But I did mix 2, so your girl got a little chocolate from Mexico or whatever. But I'm gonna take that and blend it out, sis. Make sure you get that neck. Honey. I may look a little crazy right now, but all of it's gonna look better. Just make sure y'all get y'all necks and make sure your color is matching. After that, I'm going to take my concealer, boom, and put it in all the 4 little places. Y'all know, nose, under the eyes, you know the basic. I'm going to take a wet beauty blender, sis, and I'm going to beat until your face hurts. Make sure all your concealer is blended out, sis. Do you hear me? Make sure it's blended out. After everything is blended out and I continue to beat my little ass forehead, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder again. And I'm going to set under all those places I put that concealer. Instead of setting it, since you're going to push it into your skin. Do you hear me? So no flashback. Push it into your skin, sis. Sacha Buttercup is brown girl friendly. You can buy it from Amazon, period. Next, I'm going to contour, but I'm not going to contour hard because I am going to keep this look soft and it is beginner friendly. So, I'm going to take my contour palette I got from Walmart, Wallet World, true complexion. Gonna take the darkest one with a little fluffy corner brush. And I'm gonna cut my jowl. Yeah. I'm just gonna blend a little on a little forehead. Do it on a little bit chin, a little bit. You know, just blend it out. Now I'm gonna take my highlight from Walmart. It's Maybelline. I think I put it in the description box. It's basically everything is from Walmart. I'm gonna blend it out perfectly. Highlight this on your nose, on your forehead. Y'all see how contour my nose too, huh? Yeah. Period. Just gonna get all those right spots so you can be glowing in the club, sis. Real easy. Oh, hush. Crying in my videos. Now I'm gonna take this blush from Walmart. Duh. I'm gonna put it in. Not too much. I don't do blush just to do a little pop. You really can't see it, but you can see it. You know, not too much. Hush. Now I'm gonna take my glitter eyeliner and some chunky glitter, and I'm gonna just add a little pop to my look. Also, if you can tell, I did put on some white liner, sis. You know. And next, I'm gonna set my face with Morphe Setting Mist, my favorites. Yeah. And after that, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and dab that into my skin. Oh, I did sit with two of them. Y'all ain't have to do that. I'm just extra. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and dab that into my skin, sis. And now I'm done. Whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, sis, and let me know what more do you want. And remember, y'all got to be extra as me and add the glitter or the white liner, but keep it cute and simple, sis. See y'all later. Yeah.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even